If you missed the original ZZA GUS, this is the one to get. Hi Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. Today we will be looking at the REGUS from ZZA model. This is a 1:100 model scale, about 22 centimeters in height, priced around 168 yuan or RMB, roughly around $25 US, but that is in China. This is a full armor version of the original ZZA GUS, and the head looks like more of a Gundam. Pre-order is now available in Southeast Asia region, and I'm certainly getting my copy for this version. This is a full plastic model kit with no metal parts included. And next on the list is the AK model, GN Arms Metal Build Style. This is a 1:100 scale model and has a pre-order price of 398 RMB, roughly about $57 US. The release date is scheduled around April of 2026. This will be a welcome addition to your collection for your master grade Astria, and this will take a lot of space on your shelves. This is by far a more complex model compared to the original high grade released a couple of years ago, and this will have additional support for display options. Here are the basic components that is included on the model kit. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.